Hello again, everyone. It's day 2 of looking at erosion all around us. So, what's going to happen today is we're going to go on another adventure. I'm going to be going out into Glen Ellyn and showing you areas where people have been working on stopping erosion and why we have to worry about erosion so much in Glen Ellyn. So, join me as we travel, and maybe in your own free time, you can travel around Glen Ellyn too and see some of these places. One of the other things you'll notice when you go on a walk is that some people have stone walls in their yard. And when people try to do that because it looks nice, but also because those stone walls stop there from being a downhill. And when there's less downhills, that means the water can't travel down it and cause erosion to happen. So, walls that you see in yards might be decorative, but also there might be a purpose, and that is because it needs to stop erosion from happening, and that's one of the ways to do it. So you'll notice some made out of different materials. The one behind me is made out of stone. Some of you might recognize where I'm at. I'm at the boathouse out at Lake Ellyn, and that's because there is erosion prevention. That means stopping erosion happening right here at Lake Ellyn on a regular basis. So one of the ways they do that is the park district has some hard and rigid, so those are properties of materials, stone that they're using to stop the water from washing away the edge of the lake. Okay? And even here at the boathouse, to protect some of the foundation and the soil and all that of the boathouse, they have the cement wall. So you see cement wall that they had to build. They brought in cement from somewhere else and made it. And then over on the side, you see some big limestone blocks that they also brought in, but are a natural material. It's just cut up limestone or broken limestone. So what you're gonna see is parts of Lake Ellyn all along there have lots of limestone. That might mean that it's something that they use there because that's where more erosion is happening. So as you go for walks and stuff like that, try to see where there's water and see if there's some other hard materials that they're using to stop erosion from happening. One of the places you can easily visit is Glenbard West High School, on the outside at least. And so at Glenbard West High School, they're called the Hilltoppers because their school is at the top of a hill. Not the most clever thing, but it is what it is. So because they're on a hill, they have to worry about erosion because if all the soil wears away, eventually over years and years and years, it'll end up being taken away from where the school is. So one of the things they do is they put these wooden beams all along the hill at the bottom to stop erosion from happening. And also it makes it safe because if dirt and everything was washing along the sidewalk, where the students walk and people can walk past the school, it would be a little dangerous. It can get muddy, people can slip, it can cause problems. So not only is it protecting the school, it's actually protecting the people